spent our first evening in a curry restaurant and really enjoyed it. You can see Michelle there enjoying her cocktail, and it was a great way to unwind after the long flight. From our street, you can see Table Mountain, and this is a row of houses. We are in the green one called the Lime House. On our first morning, we headed for the Victoria and Albert waterfront, and it was a happening place. What are you guys doing there?
Relaxing. Watching the South African world go by, yeah.
That evening, we went to a rooftop restaurant and had a great view of Table Mountain. And after dark, they light up the mountain, and it's just beautiful. We arrived at Robben Island and first did a bus tour of the entire island. The island itself was beautiful, with lots of birds and beautiful scenery and even some penguins. Inside the former prison, the atmosphere was a lot more sobering. Back in town, we enjoyed a delicious lunch before our tour of Bo Kaap, followed by our cooking class.
And a big spoon of baking powder.
Okay.
What I'm looking for is a nice soft elastic jam. On the arms, nose. About 3 years back, what high blood pressure.